Welcome to Wando Studio's training video platform. From the website, wandostudios.com, you just click on Training up here in the right-hand corner. That will bring you to the Getting Started page and Free Video Training. Click on Free Video Training. That brings you to the courses we have available for Wando training. Right now, we have a free 5-day AI image challenge. You can click on the image challenge and it will take you directly to the course. You don't have to be logged in to see any of the videos. You can click on each module and it takes you directly to that video. You can also view them on YouTube if you prefer. If you want to track what modules you have done in the course, you would just hit Enroll Now and it's free and it will track which videos you have done and which ones you still need to do for the lessons. There's also the option from this screen to go to Events. If at any point you're stuck, you can always click on an event in the live Q&A workshop training. That will bring you to all of the live events coming up for Wando, where you can ask questions, get live in person done with me set up, and learn new features and ways of doing things in the program to get the best results. They are all free. You can register directly on the site here, and then you'll have a Zoom link to attend to. You don't have to have your camera on. You can just join and see what questions people have. You can ask questions about setup, about how to do a specific function in the program. They're really there as a great way for live support. And if you have any suggestions or need any additional training, you can also schedule Done With Me sessions from the Wando website.